Hey guys, so I'm unboxing and reviewing this emergency light bar, and I'm gonna install it. Also comes in this box with this emergency hazard warning light bar. It has 7 modes. These are the modes here. This is it right here. It looks like this in the box here. It's 12 volt DC plug and play, LED 360. Light output is IP67, waterproof, and this is the specs. Has an on and off switch. This is it right here. It's by Z-Zoom LED strobe flashing light bar, 30 LED, high intensity emergency hazard warning light bar, beacon with a magnetic bar, and the cord is 16 feet straight. It's for your roof, your car roof. Put it on the trailer. It has amber and white light. It's for a wide application, both private car, pickup trucks, construction vehicles. It has a heavy, strong magnetic. Like I said, it's IP67, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof. And so let's check this out. Comes in this box here. This is it right here. It's very strong. Has the metal and the plastic. Comes with 2 fuses. You just plug it in your cigarette lighter, and it has the on and off right here. It has a long cord. And the magnet is very strong. They said the material is made is very strong. As you can see, it has light on the side, the front, the back. It's well made. It's strong. So you just can put this on your vehicle and take it off whenever. Let's see how strong the magnets are. Yep, as you can see, it's very strong. Put it on the front of the hood, and this have to really, and the suction is very strong. As you can see, as soon as I put it on like this, it grabs on. It doesn't move. Okay, so the specs for this is the length is 14.4 inches, width 4.7 inches, height 3.1 inches, and it has a double switch, and you can mount it on your rooftop, or wherever you want to mount it. Because it has 30 high power LED with TIR optic lens, bright enough for the day. So if you have to drive to work or in foggy weather, rain, snow, you can use this, or any low visibility area, or where this is needed. It comes in handy. So I'm going to show you how it looks like in the night. Let me put it on top of the roof and see how it looks like. Okay, so on top of my car, I'm going to put it right in front here because I have the sunroof. So it's like that. It's pretty on here, very good, and you can just think you can just, one of the lights you can turn it. Looks like that. And this is the cord. I'm gonna put this on later on. Can run it from the top or wherever on the side here. So when it gets darker, I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so I plugged it into the cigarette lighter. This is the on and off. Once this red is on, this is to change it. It has 7 modes. So let's see what it looks like during the day. Okay, so it looks like this during the day. As you can see, this is the front, and this is the rear of it. I have it on steady, the light, and this is the other side, what it looks like. So I'm gonna change the light and show you what it looks like during the day also. It's bright. Alright, so I have it in front of the car on the hood to show you what it looks like during the day. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, that's one of the mode. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then back to solid. And I'll show you in the night what it looks like in the night. Alright, so it looks pretty cool having one of this on for emergency situation. I just want to pretend to be an emergency worker or a cop. Alright guys, so it's 9 o'clock in the night here. It's kind of dark, so I'm going to show you how it looks like. Let me get into the car. Alright, so it's plugged in here. Okay, here it's on. I'm going to show you. Alright, so I'm going to go in the car and change the settings to show you how it looks like. Alright, so that's the 7 settings it has. It looks good in the night, as you can see. It's very bright. LED hazard emergency light. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, share the video, and thanks for watching.